Kevin. Good evening, good evening.
Teacher.
Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Kevin?
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Wow, that's very good. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you already
Yes.
eat? Oh, yes. Oh, what did you eat for dinner? Did you eat rice, vegetables,
Rice, soup,
rice
chicken,
and rice and soup and chicken?
chicken,
Oh, rice and chicken?
and soup.
Oh, okay. So let's say I eat rice, chicken, and soup. Okay, so that is how you answer. What did you eat for dinner? So I eat rice, chicken, and soup. Okay, so very good. So thank you so much for sharing it to teacher. So now, so we had learned words last time, last Tuesday or last Monday. So for this one, so we will review if we still remember those words. So this picture we already or this activity we already did this one last Monday, but we will do it again to review if you still remember. Okay, so for this activity, so you will circle what is the word that a teacher is finding. So let's start with our first word. So Kevin, can you circle where is the board?
Uh,
Where, yes, where is the board? Can you circle?
uh,
Board. Where is the board?
deep breath.
Okay, very good. So this is the board. So next, can you circle where is the bag? Where is the bag?
Back. Mm,
Hmm,
back.
yes, bag. Actually, not that one. Um, where is the test?
Yes.
Test? Are you sure that's the test?
Yes.
Test. No, the test is a paper. It has, yes. Where is it? Where is it? So it's in the second picture, I think. Can you circle? Where is the test? Oh,
Yes.
are you sure? No. Oh, yes, it can be a test, but this one. So this is the test because as you can see, as what we have on our previous lesson, so this is what test looks like. So it
Yes.
has, yes, it has a written test word on it. So next, can you circle where is the alphabet? Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Mhm. Where is it?
Mm,
Where's the alphabet? So when we say alphabet, so it is
alphabet.
all okay, very good. So alphabet, it is all the letters that we have. And can you circle where is letter Z? Where is letter Z?
Hmm.
Hmm. Letter Z.
Z.
Okay, very good. So nice. So this is alphabet and this is letter. Very good. So next, can you circle where is the game? Hockey. Where
Ho-
is hockey?
Hockey.
Okay, very good. So that is hockey. So we use sticks to point or to play with the ball in the hockey. And next, can you find where is the music? Music.
Music.
Yes, where is the music?
Music.
Okay, very good. So good job. Okay, and for the last one, can you tell teacher where is the floor? Where is the floor?
Floor. Floor. Floor.
Floor. So it when we say floor, it is where we walk. So where is the floor in the picture?
Floor.
Okay, very good. So that is the floor. And this is also the floor. So it is where we walk. So very good. So good job. So good job, Kevin, because I can see that you can mostly remember the words that we had learned last time. So now let's proceed to our newer lesson because I think this is the end of our lesson number 4. So let me just open lesson number 4. So wait. Okay, this one. Hmm? Lesson number 4. Unit 8, lesson number 1. Oh, this is it this one? Okay, wait. Let me just open the next lesson. Oh, Unit 8, lesson 1. Okay, so this is our new lesson. So can you see? Can you see the screen? Can you see it now? Can you see? Yes, okay. Okay, so for our new lesson, we will have Unit 8, so Lesson 1. So we have here, so can you read this word?
Spot.
Okay, very good. So one more time, let's say sport,
Road.
sport, sport,
Spot.
sport, sport. Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at this picture. This picture, Kevin. Do you know what sport is this? Or do you know what game is this?
Hmm.
Hmm. What game is this? Do you know? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What do we call this game or sport?
Hmm.
So this is what we call as football. So this is football. Yes, so it is somehow similar to soccer. Actually, football and soccer, so they use different balls. So football, this is the thing or this is the ball that we use in football. However, for soccer, we use the black and white ball. Okay, so that is a football. So Kevin, so when we say sport, so sport is the things that we play. Like for example, basketball, football, soccer, hockey, baseball, badminton, tennis. So those are the things that we will learn in today's lesson. Okay. For this one, Kevin, what are the sports that you play? Do you play basketball? Do you play football?
Um.
What do you play? Do you play football? Do you play soccer? Do you play basketball?
It. Hmm. Um,
What do you play?
Uh.
What is the game or sport that you like to play?
He likes play.
What do you play?
He likes to play.
Yes, what do you play? Do you play basketball? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Do you like playing basketball?
Yes.
Yes. How about football? Do you also play football?
Yes.
Do you play football?
Yes.
Oh, what is the sport that you like? Basketball or football?
Yes. Basketball.
You like basketball more. Okay, so that's it. Very good. So now let's move on again to our next page for us to learn what are the sports that most people play. So let's proceed to our first part of our lesson, which is words. So we will learn new words. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the picture, Kevin. So this one. Do you know what sport is this?
Is basketball.
Okay, very good. Good job. So this is basketball. So when we say basketball, it is a game. It is a game where players throw the ball. So this is the ball that we use in basketball. And we will throw the ball into the hoop. So this one we call this as hoop. So this is where we throw the ball, and if we shoot the ball into the hoop, so we will get a point. So that is basketball. So Kevin, who do you play basketball with?
Yes.
Yes, who do you play basketball with? Do you play with your friends?
His brother.
Okay. Let's say I play.
With my brother.
Okay, perfect. So you play basketball with your brother. Wow, that's a very nice. Is it your older brother?
Is
Is he your older brother or younger brother?
older.
Older. Okay, so very good. So that's so nice. So this is our first sport, basketball. So next, let's take a look at our next sport. Do you know what is this?
Is tennis.
Okay, perfect. So this one is tennis. So let's take a look at this tennis. So when we say tennis, it is, so can you read this one again? Okay, let's read. A game where, a,
Mm.
a game, it is a game where players hit a ball over a net with rockets. So this one is the ball that we use to play with tennis. We call it as tennis ball. And this one, the one that we use to hit the ball, so we call it racket. Okay, again, Kevin, what do we call this ball?
Mm.
What do we call this ball? This is,
Is green.
yes, it's green. What is the name of this ball? We call it as tennis ball. Okay, let's see.
Ball.
Tennis. Okay, perfect. So again, what is the name of this ball? It is
Is
ten
blue.
tennis.
Is blue.
Yes, it's blue. Okay. But first, let's review again. What is the name of the ball? What is the name of the ball that we use to play with tennis?
Tennis.
Tennis ball. Okay. Don't forget the word ball. So tennis ball. And how about this one? what do we call this thing that we use to hit the tennis ball?
is
We
blue.
c- yes, it's blue. Very good. The color of the thing is blue, but the name of that thing is what we call racket. Racket.
Rocket.
Okay, very good. So again, Kevin, to review, what do we call the thing that we use to hit the tennis ball? What
Is
is
mm,
it's what is this
is
name? It's
is rocket.
okay, perfect. So it's racket. So again, tennis ball. This one is racket. Okay, so this is tennis. Do you know how to play tennis?
No.
No, okay. So it's okay. So not all sports are do not all sports. We know not all sports. So we just know some sports like basketball, volleyball. Do you know volleyball? No. Volleyball. It is like a game that we have a volleyball and we hit it using our hands. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next sport. So, Kevin, do you know what is this sport? What is this? We call it
Is
as
is mm,
you already forgot? We
was
call this starts with letter H. We call it as
uh, hockey.
okay, perfect. So we call it as hockey. So our third sport is hockey. So let's take a look at this one. So we have here a stick, and this is the ball that we use for to play hockey. So when we say hockey, it is a game played with sticks and a ball. So this one, okay, so the ball of the hockey, we call it as puck. Puck. So we call it as puck.
Puck.
Okay, very good. And this one, we call this as stick.
Stick.
Okay, very good. Again, so what do we call this one, Kevin?
Is
It's okay, perfect. And how about this one? The one that we use to hit the hockey or puck. We
puck.
call this one. What is this?
Is stick.
Okay, very good. It's stick. Nice. So next, let's move on to our next sport. Again, Kevin, this is hockey. So next. Oh, how about this one? Kevin, what is this?
Is like football.
Oh,
Football.
okay, very good. So this is football. So we call
Football.
this, yes, so we call this one football or soccer. Okay, football or soccer, both, yes, both are correct. So when we say football, from the word foot, so it is a game where players kick the ball to score goals. So like in this picture, what is the boy doing? The
Mm,
boy
the boy is play is
is
play and football.
playing. Okay, very good. So the boy is playing football or the boy is kicking the ball. So that is how we play. That is how we play football or soccer. So we use our feet to kick the ball. So this one is a soccer ball. So we
Soccer.
call, yes, we call it a soccer ball. So next, do you know how to play football, Kevin?
Yes.
Okay. And who do you play football with?
With
Who,
my friend.
with your friends. With your friends at school?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say I play football
I play football
with my
with my friend.
friends. Okay, very good. So next, let's move on to our next sport. Oh, do you know what is this, Kevin?
Is
This is
um,
what? Okay, do you know what is this? Yes or no? So we call this sport is baseball.
it likes of
Okay, one more time. Let's say baseball.
baseball.
Okay, perfect. So this one is a baseball. So like hockey, so we use a stick to hit the ball. Or this one, actually, this is not a stick. So this is what we call bat. So bat. Let's say bat. Okay,
Ah,
perfect. Yeah, so this one is bat. So we use it to hit this baseball. So after,
baseball.
yes, okay. So when we say baseball, it is a game where players hit the ball with the bat and run to bases. So after the player hits the ball, they will run into the bases. Like for example, this one.
Um,
Let me show you how they play baseball.
uh,
Okay, this one. It's not. This is baseball. So they run into the base. So this is the base. Those white thing are the base.
please.
Okay, yeah, so that is football. So after they hit the ball, they run into the base and another base. Okay, so that's it. So that is how we play football. So next, let's proceed to our next sport. Okay, but first, let's review. What do we call this, Kevin? This
Is
is,
hat.
okay, perfect. Very good. This is bat. How about this one? What is the name of this ball?
Is uh,
This is what we call baseball.
is
This is, yes, this is the baseball. So the name of this ball is baseball. Okay. So next, let's move on to our next sport. Okay, this one. Oh, do you know what sport is this, Kevin?
badminton.
Okay, wow, very good. Good job. So this one is badminton. Oh, let's go back. So like a tennis, so badminton also uses this one, we call this also as racket. Racket.
Racket.
Yes, like what we use in tennis, this one is also racket. So we use it to hit the shuttlecock. So this white thing or the ball that we use in badminton, so we call it as shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock.
Okay, shuttlecock.
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 Okay, very good. That's so nice. So when we say badminton, so it is a game or a sport where players hit a shuttlecock over a net with rackets. So again, this is the shuttlecock. This is the racket. Okay. So do you know how to play badminton, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes, wow. And who do you play with badminton? Who do you play badminton with?
It with my dad.
Oh, with your dad. Wow, you have a good bond with your family, huh? Okay, let's say I play badminton
Play badminton
with
with
my
my brother.
ah, dad
Dad.
or brother. Oh, okay, with my dad. Okay, so very good. So again, let's review the things that we use in the sport badminton. So what do we call this, Kevin?
If uh, uh,
It's what do we use also in tennis to hit the ball? It's
racket
okay, very good. How about this one?
is uh, um,
What is it?
um,
Hmm.
to shoot a cup.
Okay, one more time. Let's say shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock.
Okay, perfect. So that is shuttlecock. So that is what we use in badminton. So next, let's move on to our next sport. Oh, do you know what sport is this?
Is um
What is it?
uh,
Okay, we call this one as table tennis.
table tennis.
Okay, very good. So this is similar to tennis. However, the difference between tennis and table tennis. So table tennis, we play it on a small table with paddles and a ball. So the difference between tennis and table tennis. So table tennis from the word table, so we use a table for us to be able to play a table tennis. However, for tennis, we can mostly play tennis in a large place or large court. So tennis usually has what do you call that? Net. Okay, yes. And also, the racket that we use, actually, we don't use a racket in table tennis. This one, we call this paddles. Paddles.
Hello.
One more time. Let's say paddles.
Hello.
Paddles. The, dolls.
Paddle.
Okay, very good. One more time. Can you read this word again?
Is paddle.
Okay, perfect. So it's paddles. One more time. Paddles, paddles, paddles.
Paddles. Paddles. Paddles.
Okay, perfect. So the difference between tennis and table tennis, for table tennis, we use paddles. However, for tennis, we use racket. Okay? So again, um, Kevin, what do we use to hit the ball in table tennis? What is the name of this thing that we use to hit the ball? This is
It is
what do we use to hit the ball in?
paddle.
Okay, one more time. Let's say paddles.
Paddle.
Don't forget the S sound. Paddles. Paddles.
paddle,
Okay. S. Paddles. Paddles. Okay, perfect. So that is paddle. So we use it for table tennis. Okay, so again, let's review the sports that we have. Let's first go to this sport. What is this?
basketball,
Okay, very good. So next, how about this one?
tennis,
Tennis. And what do we call this in tennis? What is this? The one that we use to hit the ball. What is this? This is ra.
racket,
Okay, very good. Again, what is this?
is
It's what do we call the thing that we use to hit the ball in tennis? Ra. What is it? What is the name? It's
mm,
this one. You already forgot?
racket,
Okay, very good. It's rocket. So next one. How about this one? What sport is this?
is
Tại sao ngủ giờ này?
It's
Giờ thể dục thể thao không ạ?
is
huh, huh, hockey. What is this?
okay,
Okay, very good. It's hockey. So next, how about
is
this one?
football,
Football. Very good. How about this? Starts with letter B.
bas, bas, is bas, uh,
Oh, you
uh,
can do it. It's ba.
bas, um,
It's bas.
bas,
Okay, one more. Can you read this one?
is basketball,
Okay, one more time. Let's say baseball.
baseball,
One more time. Base. Base.
base,
Baseball.
baseball,
Base. Long A, not I. Base. Base. You can open your mouth loudly. Base. Ba-
Bees.
baseball.
Baseball.
Okay. So you can practice that word. Okay. So this one is again, what sport is this? What sport? What is the name of this sport?
Uh,
It's base.
Baseball.
Okay. How about this one? What do we call this that we use to hit the ball or the baseball? What is this? Also starts with letter B.
Uh, Bat.
Okay, very good. It's bad. Okay. So next, let's move on to this sport. What is this sport again?
Mm,
What is this sport?
Badminton.
Okay, very good. What do we call this? This thing that we use to hit this one. What is this?
Uh, is mm,
Hmm. You forgot. Ra,
rock.
rock, rock.
Racket.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the name?
Is racket.
Very good. How about this one? What is this? What is this ball that we use in badminton? Hmm. Start with letter S.
Uh,
It's what is this? What is this? Hmm.
is shuttlecock.
Okay, one more time. Can you read this one? It's
Is shuttlecock.
very good. So it's shuttlecock. Okay, again, let's review. What is the name of this one?
Is racket.
Very good. And how about this one?
Is shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock. One more time. Let's say shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock.
Okay, very good. So good job. So this is the badminton. So next. Oh, you see the name.
Is
It's
table tennis.
table tennis. Very good. And what is the racket that we use in table tennis? What do we call this?
Is a hat. A
Pa paddle. What is it? It's
is that the
okay. Okay, again, let's say paddle.
paddle.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the name of this thing that we use in table tennis? Pa.
Paddle.
Okay, very good. It's paddle. Okay, so those are the sports that we have. So now, let's move on to the second part of our lesson for today. So this one, so we will play a game. This game. Okay,
Is number
huh? How do
10.
you play? Number 10? I cannot open number 10. Why is that? We cannot play. So let's just play this game called
Ah,
word search. So for this one, you will answer. So we have here some pictures and you will find the name of the sports. Okay, in this box. Okay, like for example, this one, Kevin. What is this? What sport is this?
football.
Okay, football. So one example is this one, football. So you will circle the name of the sports or you will
Football.
find, yes, very good. So you will find the name of the sports, okay, in this box. So let's go to our next picture.
Is badminton.
Okay, so can you find where is the word badminton in the
Uh,
box?
uh,
You can do it.
uh,
Where is the word badminton? Can you circle? Can you circle the word badminton?
badminton.
Yes. Can you find where is badminton? Where is badminton in these boxes?
Uh, uh,
Circle, circle, circle. Where
uh,
is it? Where is badminton?
badminton.
Did you already find it?
Hmm.
Okay, so find the word badminton in the box. Okay, where? Where is it? Hmm. Hello? Are you still there, Kevin? Hello?
Hamilton.
Okay, wow, very good. That's so nice. Good job. So badminton. So next, how about this sport?
Hmm.
What
Bas.
what is this? What's
Uh,
this?
hmm.
What is the name of this sport? Hmm, is it basketball? Huh?
No.
No, what is this? It's
Is
what is the name of this sport? Oh, you forgot? It's table. Table what? Table. Hello, Kevin. Are you still there? Okay, what is this? It's table. Table, table, table.
table.
What is the name of this sport? Table. Okay, can you read that word? Table.
Tennis.
Okay, very good. It's table tennis. Okay, next, let's proceed to our next sport. Okay, how about this one?
Basketball.
Okay, wow, perfect. So this is basketball. So next, how about this sport? What is this?
Bas.
It's
Base.
base what? Base.
Baseball.
Okay, baseball. Can you find where is the baseball? Where is the baseball? Oh,
Baseball.
very good. Wow, good job. Next, how about this?
Tennis.
Tennis. Okay,
Um,
can you find where is tennis?
Tennis.
No, not that one. We also have another word, tennis. Find the other tennis. Not this one, not that one. There is also one. You want a clue?
Ah,
We have another word that is tennis. Where is it? I can see it. I can see it.
hmm.
I can see it. So it is near the word table tennis.
Tennis.
So look at table tennis. So there is another T in there. You want to give up? You want a clue? This.
Tennis.
Ting. Okay, very good. So this is tennis. Good job. Okay, so next, let's proceed to our next sport. How about this one? What
Is
is the name of this sport?
bookcase.
Okay, one more time. Let's say hockey.
Hockey.
Okay. So can you
Hmm.
find the word hockey?
Hockey. Hockey. Yeah.
Where is hockey? I can see it. Find the letter
Hockey.
H. Okay, very good. So nice. Okay, so next. Think we have another. Oh, we don't have. Okay, very good. So good job for this activity because I can see that you answered all the words or you found all the words correctly. So next. So for this activity, Kevin, so you will find 6 sports and you will color. So for example, when I say find basketball, can you find basketball? Color it blue. Color the basketball blue.
Blue basketball.
Okay, for example, this basketball. So I will color it blue. So this is a basketball. So
Hmm.
yes. Okay, now can you find badminton? Can you find badminton?
Basketball.
Huh? Is that basketball? No. The,
Badminton.
color the badminton orange. Color badminton orange.
Badminton.
Yes, badminton. Okay, very good. Can you find table tennis? Color it red. Table tennis, color it red.
Table tennis.
Yes. Okay, very good. And can you find tennis? Color it yellow. Tennis, color it yellow.
Yeah. Tennis.
Okay, very good job. And can you find football? Color it green. Football. Color football green.
Football.
Football. Okay. Can you find baseball? Can you color it black? Baseball. Color it black. Baseball. Where is okay. And the last one, color the word hockey with pink. This color. Pink. Color hockey pink. Okay, wow, very good. So good job, Kevin. So very good in this activity. So now let's proceed to our activity number 2. So for this one, you will write. You will write the name of the sports. So for example, let's look at number 1. What sport is this, Kevin?
Hmm.
What sport is this? This is look.
Basketball.
Okay, basketball. So now number 2. What sport is number 2?
Eat tennis.
Tennis. Okay, can you write tennis? Can you write the word tennis?
Tennis.
Okay. Okay, wow, very good. So next, number 3. What sport is number 3?
Eat
It's
hockey.
okay, very good. Now write the word hockey. Write the word hockey. Hockey, hockey, hockey. Hockey, 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 hockey.
Hockey.
Okay, wow, very good. So next, Number 4. What sport is this?
Football.
Football. Can you write the word football?
Mm. Foot.
Foot.
Football.
Okay, very good. Good job. Wow, you are so smart. So number 5. What sport is this?
Is pass.
Huh? Is it basketball?
No.
No. What sport is this?
Mm. Pass. Mm.
Is it bus?
Uh,
It's bay. Can you try to write the word or try to write the name of this sport?
Base.
Yes, very good. It's base. Base what? Base.
Base. Base.
Base.
Base.
Base.
Base.
Yeah.
Mm.
Can you write the word base? Can you write it?
Base.
Base. It's base.
Base.
Base. What is it? Base.
Mm. Base.
Baseball. It's
Base.
baseball. Okay, can you write the word baseball in here?
Mm.
Write the word baseball.
Base.
Okay, very good. It's baseball. Number 6. How about this one? Is this tennis?
Ba. Is badminton.
Okay, perfect. It's badminton. Badminton. Can you write the word badminton?
Badminton.
Ah, are you sure?
No.
Okay, so we spell it as this one. Letter D, not T. So we spell it as badminton.
Tennis table.
Oh, tennis table. Number 5 is? What is number 5?
Tennis table.
Huh? Tennis table? Are you sure?
Yes.
Or is it reverse? It's not tennis table. Oh, you are right. You are somehow right. But we call it as table tennis. Not tennis table. It's table tennis. Okay, very good. So for this one, so this is letter D, not letter T. Okay, so very good. So next, let's move on to, let's check your answers. Okay, so can you read the sports that we have starting from this one? Can you read? What is this again? It's
Is basketball.
very good. How about number 2? Number 2 is
Tennis.
tennis. Number 3, what is number 3? It's
Hockey.
hockey. Number 4,
Number 4 is football.
football. Number 5,
Is basketball.
okay, one more time. Let's say baseball, not basketball. Baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, number 6.
Is badminton.
And the last number 7. What is this?
Is
Ten,
table tennis.
okay, table tennis, not tennis table. Okay. Okay, so very good. Okay, now
Tennis
let's
table.
tennis table. It's table tennis. Okay, so now let's move on to the next part of our lesson. We have here sentence structure. So let's go to our first question. We have a question here. So let's read the question. Can you play? So let's read. Can you play?
Table tennis.
Okay, can you play table tennis?
Is tennis table.
Yes, can you play table tennis? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So if we answer yes, so we answer yes, I can. So again, can
Yes.
you play? Can you play table tennis? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, very good. So if our answer is yes, so for this question, can you? So we ask this to a person for us to know if they can able to do something. For example, can you play table tennis? You said yes. We answer it by yes, I can. If our answer is yes. If our answer is no, so we say no, I can't. So can you read this one? No, I can't.
No, I can.
Okay, very good. Can you play badminton, Kevin? Can you play badminton?
Yes.
Ye-
I can.
yes, I can. Can you play baseball?
Baseball. No, I can't.
Very good. Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you play football?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Can you play table tennis? Can you play table tennis?
Yes, I can.
Can you play hockey?
No, I can.
Okay, very good. So that is how we answer this question. Can you play? For us to answer yes or no, we say yes, I can. No, I can. So very good. So next, okay, let's practice. Let's practice the sentence structure that we have. Okay. So for our first question, Kevin, can you jump? Oh, yeah. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay, yes. Yes, I.
can.
Okay, very good. Yes, I can. So, yes, you can because I can see you can jump. Next, can you wiggle? Can you wiggle? Yes
Yes,
or no? Okay, let's
yes,
say, yes, I
can.
can. Yes, I can. Okay, remember when answering yes and no, we say, yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay, next, can you hop? Oh, can you hop on one foot? One foot. Can you jump using one foot? One
No,
foot.
no, I can.
No, I can't. Okay, very good. So I think it's the end of our time, Kevin. So we will continue this activity next Monday, okay? Okay, we will continue this activity next Monday. Okay, Kevin? So good job for this activity. So make sure to review yes, I can and no, I can't. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you again soon, Kevin. And good job. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. You did a great job today.
Yeah.
Goodbye.